Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for the Google Pixel 7a, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I picked up a case for the Pixel 7a. In this video today, I'm going to be reviewing the Ringke Fusion Matte Clear case for the Google Pixel 7a. I have reviewed many different Ringke cases for many different devices. So Ringke is one of the first companies I usually go to for my cases for my phones. In this video, we will go ahead and review the overall fit of the case. We'll make sure everything lines up. Does it add bulk to your phone? We'll also make sure you can wireless charge. And the overall feel in the hands when using this phone. Like I said, this is the matte clear case, so it's going to show off the beauty, but not attract as many fingerprints as the clear case. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Nice packaging from Ringke. It says, live a better day. Eco packaging. Ringke.com if you want to go to their website. You know, it's the Ringke packaging. Nice and easy to get open. So you get your normal books and stuff. It has protective film, which it does, so let's remove it. So it does have that matte finish there. So it's a hard TPU plastic. So again, it will show off the beauty of your phone, but doesn't attract as many fingerprints. Everything at the bottom lines up like you expect it to. The microphone. The power button is nice and tactile, easy to press. Fingerprint. The vine rockers are nice and easy and nice and tactile too. You get camera protection. So the only cutout is around the camera itself, and then also that flash over there. And it covers the whole bar, so you don't have to worry about scratching it up. You do get lip protection from the top and the bottom there. So if you lay it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. The overall fit. Now the bottom and top are loose. I mean, look. But they come back. I don't think that would be a problem. Let's see if taking the case off. You see, you have to give some effort to take that case off, which is a good thing. So if you drop it, it's not just going to pop out and damage the phone. I love the corner protections. This case does not add bulk to your phone at all. It's not heavy, not a bulky case. But you do have that corner protection on all four corners. Bam, what y'all think? It's really nice, lightweight case, but protects your phone. I do like that matte finish, y'all. Can you wireless charge? Let's see. My little plug here. And yes, you can wireless charge without removing the case. I don't think you would. That's almost becoming like a moot point. I said that in a lot of the videos. Now, it does give you some grip also on here. That's one thing that this case could do. I wish they would put some extra grip on the sides to give you a little bit more grip. If I had to say anything, just put some grips on the side for me, Ringke, and this would be an awesome case. But if you want to pick this up from Amazon, I'll have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.